What's the meaning of contingency? Contingency. Contingency.
Contingency. Contingency. Contingency refers to something that may or may not happen, but is possible or likely to occur under certain circumstances or conditions. It can also refer to a plan or course of action that is prepared in advance to address a potential future event or situation, such as an emergency or unexpected change. Contingency planning is important for individuals, organizations, and governments to ensure they are prepared for unforeseen circumstances that may arise. Having a contingency plan in place can help minimize the negative impact of unexpected events and increase the chances of successfully managing them.